Where's my toy at? Little shit. Why are you... This is my new Oculus virtual reality system. So I'm going to open it up for the first time and look at it and we'll get it. Looks like factory well.
Okay, so I'll slowly pull it out.
It's supposed to be the most up-to-date VR that they got.
Okay, so it's Oculus.
Oculus Quest 2. It's very nice.
Oh, hold it up. So it's got instructions there.
Got your shadow. Want your shadow.
Okay, so go ahead and pull. So those are like handheld devices?
Yep. Looks that way.
So.
Oh, nice. Look, it's got a little thing wrapped around your wrist in case you drop them or something like that.
Yeah, like with the Wii.
Yeah, it's cool. Okay. I'm going to set that down right there.
That must be the charging cable.
Might be. I don't know. We'll find out when we open it up and look.
Let me see. Okay, so that's the, what kind of connector does it come with?
Looks like
Is it the same thing as the iPhone?
Looks like almost an iPhone, yeah.
Yeah, no, here.
Almost looks like an iPhone.
Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, it has the
But
same.
the iPhone.
Okay, so it's got.
It's like an older iPhone cable.
Okay.
Not like the new ones that they got right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we got that. And then got something here, whatever this is. Looks like owner's manual.
Okay. How big is the owner's manual? Pretty big.
No, look at it. It's Chinese made. Look, take this, put it over here with the other stuff. Okay, and take out the. This is supposed to be the most high-tech VR system that they have. So, got that.
Okay, so that's your glasses spacer.
Yep.
Here, let me see that.
Quest 2 silicone cover protection and silicone. Okay.
Is that what is in there? Is that a strap?
No, this is. I don't know what this is. It might be a strap. Oh, it's
A case?
silicone, I think.
Oh, it's to go around the side so that you.
So when you sweat, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Okay.
okay. And then it says move lenses before, move lens left to right to find a clearest view. I think I'm going YouTube and
Yeah. Let me see the inside. Turn it around.
I'm going YouTube and
Okay, so it looks like it's got like binoculars. So.
yeah.
Okay. And so that comes like that. And that. So that's everything it comes with.
Yep, that's it.